Let's go one at a time.
Don't shoot anything. How is it up there? Can't see, can you? Too short?
Hey, put your eye. See that black piece right there? Put your eye to it. Can you see out? You see way on that there, don't you?
Yeah, I see something right here that you see out.
You're probably seeing out the woods. You're probably seeing the woods by now, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm seeing
You see a couple little lines in there too?
Yeah.
You look good. Not stopping you. Hey, son, good luck.
All right, come on, let somebody else have a try.
Oh, I don't take a look at whenever you start thinking about
I will do that.
Two people sit over here.
Yep. Can you see out the window? Yeah.
Hey, look.
Let me see.
You can see. Not as high up as that seat is?
Did he come out?
Put it in from the outside again, to cover it up. So, take the only barrel.